Channel. So today's video I'm actually going to do a DIY garland for my stairs. So last year I just put some wrapped some lights around the staircase, but this year I really wanted to get a garland and I couldn't really find one, so I thought I would DIY one. I actually bought this garland off of Amazon. It has got some pine cones on it, but that's all it's got. So I'm gonna add some baubles and some silver pine cones. These I got from B&M. This I got from Homebase, and yeah, so I'm going to use some cable ties to get all of those on, and I thought I would show you what I do and how I do it. So if you want to see me do my DIY garland, just keep watching. So this is our staircase now. So this is it up here. Mark's just going to cable tie it, aren't you, bub?
Can't breathe.
Do you want me to hold it?
Alright.
That's clever, isn't it?
I've seen a cable tie before.
Never used one.
Really?
Yeah. And now I just need to zhuzh these all out, don't I?
Yeah.
Are you going to cable tie the bottom?
Let me see. We've got cable tie all the way along, yeah?
Really?
Well.
Oh, okay, go on then. You can just cable tie. We can cut them off.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so the garland's on now. Now we need to put the lights on. This is how it looks. Okay, so the lights are on now. And now I need to do the baubles. Let me just move this a minute. I think they look really cute. These lights were from Wilkinson's. I think they were how much were they, babe? £5?
Yeah.
£5 from Wilkinson's, and they're plug-in ones. Right, so I've got these baubles and I have got this string, so I'm not sure whether to tie them up with the string or to use the cable ties. I think the cable ties might be a bit big, so I'm going to start with this and see how I get on. So this is what it's looking like so far. So I've just mixed the different size baubles on there and these as well, these different pine cones. And it's also on the other side. Okay guys, so this is the finished garland. Let me know what you think. I'm really happy with how it turned out actually. I think what I'm going to do is attach some ribbon just down here so I can put Christmas cards and things. But I think it looks really pretty. This bow here is from B&M. I think it was £3.99 and I think it just finishes it off beautifully. It just looks so gorgeous. And then it goes all the way up the stairs like so. So yeah, that is our DIY Christmas garland. We've got little Santa out here, starting to look a little bit Christmassy now. I can't wait to show you the house tour. It's coming very, very soon. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.